Hi fam, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanna teach you the pattern of Irish crochet lace leaf applique. So let's see it together. Start the slip knot and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through next loops. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over, pull through next loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over, pull through next loops, yarn over twice, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over, pull through next loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 4, yarn over twice, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over, pull through next loops, yarn over twice, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over, pull through next loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hooks through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the through this same 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Now let's crochet my second leaf. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over twice, insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chains. Yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook in first stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over. Insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice. Insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chains. Yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over. Insert your hook in these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over twice. Insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Chain 5 and repeat. Yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over. Insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice. Insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Chain 5, yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over. Insert your hook through these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over twice. Insert your hook in these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chains. Insert your hook in first stitch. Insert your hook in first stitch, then make a slab stitch. Chain 1, make 8 single crochets. This is my 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 single crochets. Make a slab stitch in the next stitch. Now let's crochet in triple crochet on the right side. This is my 1 2 3 4 5 single crochets on the right side. Now let's crochet this triple crochet on the left side. This is my 1 2 3 4 5 single crochets on the left side. Now let's crochet in the middle. 3 single crochets. This is my 1, 2 and 3 in the middle. Turn your work, chain 1, make 13 single crochets. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 single crochets. Now let's crochet in this space of chains. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Now let's crochet on the triple crochet on the right side. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets. Now let's crochet on triple crochet on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets. Now let's crochet in the middle. 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Turn your work, chain 1, make 13 single crochets in next 13 stitches. Ten, 11, 12, 13. Now let's crochet in this space of chains. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets. Make a slip stitch in next stitch and repeat. Make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's crochet 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's crochet 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, turn your work, chain 1, Make 13 single crochets in next 13 stitches. It's so easy to make. Twelve and 13. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single crochets. Now make a slab stitch. Keep going. At the end of the row, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single crochets. Make a slab stitch in first stitch. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Skip 1 stitch. Insert your hook in next stitch. Make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in each chain. Make a single crochet in each chain. At the end, make a slab stitch. Make a slab stitch. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for looking and for your time. I hope you like this video. Your suggestions can help me a lot. I upload new videos every week. If you like my videos, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Thank you for joining us today. Wishing you success in everything you pursue.